Hi friends, in today's video I'll show you how you can fix the NODE.dll missing or not found in Windows 11. If NODE.dll error occurs on your Windows 11, you will be facing problem with relate to running the application or with the functionality features of the application. The first solution is to repair the system files using SFC and DISM. Now for that, just go to the start. From here just type in CMD. You will get it here. You have to run it as an administrator. Now you have to run SFC, that is System File Checker, to scan for the repair, corrupted or missing system files, which include the DLLs. So for running that, you can just type in SFC, then put a space / scan now. And just enter. Now it will begin the scan and will take little time to complete the process. Just wait for it to complete the process. Now once the process is completed and if issues are found and fixed, restart your computer and check if the NODE.dll error persists. Now if SFC reports unrepairable files, then you have to continue using the deployment image servicing and management system, that is known as DISM. For that, the same command prompt can be used. From here you have to run the following command, that is DISM, then space /online space cleanup -image /restore health. Now enter. Allow the process to finish, which may take some time. Once completed, restart your computer again and see if the DISM repaired the DLL issue. Now once the operation is completed, you can close down this window. Now the next method is to re-register NODE.dll. Re-registering NODE.dll updates the system registry with the correct information about the DLL, which can fix error caused by misregistration or corruption. This step is especially useful if the file exists but Windows cannot use it properly. So for that, again you have to go to the command prompt and run it as an administrator. The step is to unregister the DLL to remove any existing false incorrect registration data. So for that, you have to use the following command, that is regsvr32 /u, that is unregister node.dll. So you have to run it. Now once you run it, the command tells Windows to remove node.dll from the registry. Now after removing the node, you have to re-register the DLL by entering the command, the same command with a small change, that you have to replace this U with I, that is install. Now you have to run this command, and this command creates a fresh registry entry for node.dll. And after running both commands, restart your computer to ensure that the changes may affect. Now the next method is to restore or replace the node.dll file. If node.dll is missing entirely, restoring it from a reliable source is essential. To begin with, you can go and check in the recycle bin whether this DLL is been deleted, accidentally deleted or not. If found in the recycle bin, you can restore that. If not, if you have a backup or system restore point, use Windows restore point, previous restore version, to solve this issue. Also, there is an option like alternately you can copy node.dll from another computer running the same Windows 11 version and architecture. Now you have to place the file in the same directory as the affected application launcher or in the correct system folder as I have mentioned earlier. Now after installing the files, repeat the registration step and complete the process. Now the next solution is to reinstall the affected application. In some cases, the application itself is responsible for managing the copy of node.dll. If the error only appears in one program, it is advisable to reinstall the program to restore the correct DLL version. You can go to the start. From here, go to settings and then to apps. And from here, just look for installed app and just go down and find the app which you want to reinstall, and from here just click on advanced option and try a repair, and still that is not working, you can try a reset, and still if that doesn't solve the issue with node.dll, then you can uninstall and reinstall that application. Now next solution you can try is to update your Windows 11. Windows Update often includes fixes for system files and compatibility problems. Outdated system files can interfere with DLL registration and can cause errors. So it is always advisable to check for the Windows Update and get it updated regularly. So for that, just go to the start, from there to the settings, and from here just go to the Windows Update and just see if you have any pending updates, then look for that and update your Windows. Now the next solution you can try is to scan for the malware. Some malicious software can also corrupt the DLL files, including node.dll. Performing a security scan addresses the risk and can prevent it from returning. So for that, you can go to the security. From here you will get in from the taskbar, just go to the up arrow, and from here just look for defender or security. You'll get it here, Windows Security. Now from here just click on virus and threat protection and do a quick scan. Now if you want, you can do a full scan. There is an option, it will take time, but it is always advisable to do a full scan. Now the last and final solution is to reinstall the node.js. For application built on node.js, the node.dll file is often bundled with node.js runtime. Now you can uninstall node.js file from settings and app. Just go to the settings, from there just go to the app. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.